And we made our first hit and we actually hurt that motor. So we stayed up till 3:30 in the morning on Friday morning putting the backup motor that we brought with us in. And then because we were working really late at night, we missed something and we had to fix it. So we missed Q2. And so then we were really low in the qualifying. And on Saturday we made a qualifying hit and that's what got us up to third. So we ran an 8:14 on Saturday.
You having any issues currently?
Just a small issue that we had in the elimination. So another one of those when you're working on a car when you're tired. The clutch we needed to tighten it down a little bit more because it slipped in third gear. So we fixed that now and it should be good to go. Car seems happy and I probably had one of my better short tracks on that pass. So that really kind of sucks. So you have to like pedal it in third gear. Alrighty,
well I wish you all the best for the rest of the weekend.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks so much.
Alrighty.
See ya.
Miss PSI.